When both spouses agree that a marriage should end, Indian law offers the quickest and least adversarial route: mutual consent divorce. Here is the full process, the documents, the timeline, and how the waiting period can be waived. For Hindus, Buddhists, Jains, and Sikhs, the route is Section 13B of the Hindu Marriage Act, 1955. 3 conditions must be met. The couple has lived separately for 1 year or more. They are unable to live together, and they mutually agree the marriage should be dissolved. Living separately, by the way, can even mean living under the same roof while leading separate lives. Consent must be free, without force, fraud, or undue influence. The process starts with a joint petition before the family court, with jurisdiction, usually where the couple last lived together, where they married, or where the wife currently resides. The petition sets out the facts, the period of separation, and the agreed terms on alimony, custody of children, and division of property. Both spouses record their statements in court. That is the first motion. Section 13B2 then imposes a waiting period of at least 6 months and at most 18 before the second motion. It exists to allow reconsideration. But in Amardeep Singh v. Harvey & Kaur, 2017, the Supreme Court held that the 6-month period is directory, not mandatory. Courts can waive it when the parties have genuinely settled everything. Reconciliation is impossible, and waiting would only prolong suffering. After the waiting period, or its waiver, both parties reaffirm their consent in court. If the judge is satisfied the consent is genuine and the settlement fair, the decree of divorce follows. One caution: consent must last until the decree. Either spouse can withdraw before the final order, and that ends the mutual consent petition. Keep ready the marriage certificate, address and identity proof, marriage photographs, proof of separation, income and asset details, and the written settlement covering custody and finances. With the full cooling-off period, expect 6 to 18 months. With a waiver, it can conclude in a few months. Court fees are modest. The main cost is drafting and legal assistance. Couples under the Special Marriage Act use Section 28. Christians, the Divorce Act of 1869. Parsis, their 1936 Act. And Muslim law offers Khula and Mubarat. Whatever the framework, the golden rule is the same. Make the settlement comprehensive and unambiguous. Spell out maintenance, custody, belongings, and joint property. Ambiguity is the most common reason amicable divorces collapse. A well-documented, genuinely mutual settlement is the key to a smooth divorce. For more details, visit our website and subscribe for more.